Good morning, my friends. I need to get ready very quickly, but we're going to get ready together. I'm going to go get my roots touched up again today. I'm going to tag my favorite person in the whole wide world for my hair. And I'm going to get a trim. But I need to get ready really quickly. Normally I don't do y'all this way. I'm not in a big hurry, but I need to get ready. And I want to look cute so I can do a transition video. So I'm using the Rare Beauty. I'm using the Rare Beauty Eyeshadow Primer. And I'm just going to, I'm still using the side of my brush, but it's going to be a little bit quicker because it's fluffier. And I'm not going to do a wild eyeshadow look today, maybe just some bronzer, some warmth in the crease. So whenever I'm not going to Makeup Town, I just use the E29 for just about everything. It's so easy. I'm going to link it. Same exact brush. Let's go into the NARS Cream Bronzer and still tapping. I'll first tap. I'm picking up more for the other eye. Nice, nice. Take it over this way. Isn't that a pretty color? So then what I'll do is I'll find Sheila. There she is. No one loves Sheila. Just wipe off any excess product. Remember, the brushes don't absorb a ton of product, so you can just switch eyeshadow primer to bronzer. I'm even going to be able to wipe this off and use powder in just a second, and you'll see that. But that's why I call this the In a Rush brush. There we go. Nice and blended. This is so slept on. I don't know why I'm not seeing it everywhere. It's from Jason Wu Beauty, and I'll grab a link. I'm going to grab that on an E27, and I just want to put that through the center of my lid just for a little bit of sparkle. Blink, 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 blink. I love it. Now I could load this on and make it super, super opaque, but I just wanted a little whisper. I'm also going to take this with me because Jessie always insists on washing off my bronzer. So I'm going to take this with me. Now, most people probably wouldn't do winged liner in a hurry, but I'm absolutely feral. That disappearance was brought to you in part by my lash glue rolling across the room and me not knowing where the heck it went. It's always when you're in a hurry, right? Dang nabbit. All right, so let's grab our lash. This is House of Lashes Nor Fairy Light. I love these. I've been wearing these a lot lately. Pretty. We're gonna grab our NARS bronzer again, and I'm gonna grab this brush right here, the C40. Go right in, and I'm just going to bronze my face. Whenever I'm in a hurry, this is what I do. I just feel like it's a 2-for-1, but y'all know we love a 2-for-1 special. And you can just throw your foundation on top, and I'm not sure what foundation matches right now, so actually, you know what? I think we're gonna use the RMS one. I have it right here. And I know it works beautifully with this technique. And don't worry about blending. It's part of why we're doing this. It's easy. I just know all this. I don't even know why I'm doing my forehead right now. I don't know. I don't even know why I'm trying. I actually feel like this, okay, that's a little out of control. I actually feel like this is a really good In a Rush glam. This is definitely not no makeup. We got lashes up to the high heavens. But I feel like this is a really good way when you want to look extra spicy, but you are in a rush. So I'm going to save this. Okay, I'm using the RMS Beauty, RMS. It's my initials and I'm struggling with it. Hang on. There we go. RMS Beauty Foundation. This is the shade 33.5. It's their natural finish foundation. I'll just go get y'all a link. But I wear 33.5. That looks amazing. I'm telling you, I actually absolutely love this foundation, especially with this technique. Notice that I'm going around it. Okay, we'll move over here. It looks so pretty on the skin. It wears beautifully. I've wore it several times for 8+ hours, and then we'll go right over that. Look at that. Bam. And look how fast. Go down the neck a little bit. Super fast. All right, let's do our concealer. Sephora Best Skin Ever. I'm going to try to do the smallest amount, but I do like to use these two together. We were talking about it yesterday. Remember when I used to use the Kylie concealer, Gypsum and Himalaya? This is Gypsum and Himalaya, but better. We are putting this E29 to work today. So I'm using the side of it. Just buff that in. I'm not even going to worry about concealer anywhere else today. Whatever's left, I'll just tap here and here. But let's finish the eye. I'm using the side And then once I have the side really pressed in, I'll just use the tip of the brush just to kind of buff it into here. These bristles are so soft that you'll never have brush marks. Just not gonna happen. Remember? 2 years. Okay, moving on. Now I'm feeling spicy. I want to use one of my Valentino blushes, and these are very creamy in texture, so I'm going to go ahead and apply this before I apply any powder. Just really melt it in. I kind of wanted it to go not under the under eye, but I want it to really melt in this way. And I want you to notice that I'm really just using the side of the brush here, so I'm not using the full situation. I don't always use the entire surface of the brush because I like to use certain parts of the brush for control. So I'm using, again, this side. I've just switched, so it's a different side of the brush. So you don't always have to use the entire surface of the brush. All right, Givenchy powder. Puff is coming soon. I'm actually using pink powder today. Feeling spicy. Just go ahead and set that. Look how nice that looks now. Just perfectly melted. Dose of Colors lipstick in the shade Plush. This has become my new fave. And then I grab a Truffle lip liner, and then I'll just define my lip line and kind of blend it together. It's a little bit easier when you do the lipstick first. That way you can mix them together. Really quickly, I'm gonna add a little bit of this bronzer underneath here, and I'm gonna press, that way I don't disturb anything. Just for a little definition under there. There, perfect. Okay, we're all done. I'm gonna go get my hair done. I'll show it to y'all. I can't wait for y'all to see it. I'm excited. Okay, well, I'm not really doing much, just a trim, and he does the most beautiful layers. I'm so excited about getting my layers touched up. Love you. Bye.